Why breathing exercises help you sleep.
By focusing on your breath, you shift attention away from daily worries. This relaxation response helps reduce racing thoughts and physical tension, making it easier to drift off peacefully. Let's explore simple techniques you can try before bedtime.
The 4-7-8 breathing technique.
Try the 4-7-8 technique to calm your body and mind. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7 counts. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat this pattern 3 or 4 times. This controlled breathing slows your heart rate and signals your body that it's time to relax.
Box breathing. Find your calm center.
Is a simple method used by athletes and even the military to promote calmness. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4 counts before repeating. Visualize drawing a square in your mind. This technique helps you shift away from stressful thoughts and focus on relaxation.
Diaphragmatic breathing for deep relaxation.
Diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, uses your diaphragm for fuller, slower breaths. Place one hand on your stomach. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. This sends a message to your nervous system to relax, supporting a smooth transition to sleep.
Tips for making breathing exercises a bedtime habit.
To see the best results, practice your chosen breathing technique every night. Try pairing it with a calming evening routine, dim lights, gentle music, or reading. If your mind wanders, gently return your focus to your breath. Over time, these exercises can signal your body that it's safe to release tension and welcome restful sleep.